Hey guys, and welcome to this unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S23. Um, this comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, and it comes in the Phantom Black color. So here we can see the top of the box. It's got this nice subtle black accent with a glossy finish on the silhouette of the phone. Then on the side, the same thing with the Samsung branding. And on the other side, Galaxy S23 looks very clean, very minimalistic, and yeah, I'll just open it up. So there's two seals, one at the top, one at the bottom. There we go. Let's see if we can just do this. Right, there we go. So, yeah, first we're greeted with this container, like this cardboard container that should contain manual and other accessories. So yeah, it comes with a USB Type-C cable. So you are going to need a charger that is both Type-C and like the charging brick that takes in the Type-C cable. We do have a SIM ejector tool, which is always appreciated. And here's like the manual, like a quick start guide, so you can have a read at this to set up your phone and stuff. Alright, so first, if we peel this off, this protects the back of the phone from dust while in the box. Yep, and yeah, here's the phone, and we got like a front cover as well, protecting the screen from dust as well when you're unboxing it. There we go. Right, so yeah, here's the phone at hand. First impressions, it is very compact, and I appreciate like this frosted glass finish. And it's got like metal side frame, which is quite nice. It feels quite premium. Yeah, so all the buttons, I believe, are on the right side of the phone. Yeah, there's nothing on this side. And on the bottom you got the SIM ejector, the SIM card holder, and a speaker as well. Alright, let's see. I'll just try and power it up to see if it's got anything. If not, I'll have to charge it. Alright, so there's a little bit of power. Right, I'll just yeah, so yeah, you can set it up later. But anyways, thank you for watching this unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Phantom Black edition.